Why are French numbers beyond 60 so complicated? Ma'am, who's made numbers like this in French? Are some common questions that my students keep asking me. Are you facing the same problem? Not anymore. Hi, my name is Nitika and welcome to French My Way. Today we are going to do part 3 of my 3 series video on numbers. We are going to learn numbers from 60 to 100. Very slowly, I'm going to uncomplicate everything that confuses you. So by the end of the video, you're going to be like a pro. I hope you watched my previous 2 videos where we've learned numbers in part 1 from 0 to 20, in part 2 from 20 to 60, right? If not, you can go back and watch those videos again. Let's start 60. 60 is soixante. 60 is soixante. 61, soixante-un. This is the last place in the numbers where you're using étant. Soixante-un. 62, as you know, what do? We take 60 and we keep adding 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. 62 is soixante-deux. 63, soixante-trois. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. 70 is not a new word, but it is soixante-dix. Literally 60 and 10, which makes 70, it's soixante-dix. Now 71, I'm sure by now you've guessed, it's not. Yes, there's no new word. It is 60 and 11. Soixante-onze. Alright, that 60 and 11 makes it 71. This is now the last place where we are going to use ET. Okay, so 61 was soixante-un, 71 is soixante-onze. Let's continue further. 72, soixante-douze. So here you're going to now use numbers from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 till 19. Alright. 72, soixante-douze, soixante-treize, soixante-quatorze, soixante-quinze, soixante-seize, soixante-dix-sept, soixante-dix-huit, soixante-dix-neuf, and now comes 80. Now 80 is not, no, it's not 60 and 20, please, it's not soixante-vingt. Now it changes completely and now there's a new mathematical formula. It becomes soixante, no, I'm just kidding. It is 80, 4 20s. 4 20s, literally here, 20 takes an S. So please be careful. This is the only place where 20 takes an S. 4 20s makes 80, 80. Okay, so 81 is not going to be 81. Remember, I told you ET last was used in 71. Now we're going to use 2 hyphens, 81. Okay, that's 81. 82 will be 82. Let's continue. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. That's correct. Now we're going to continue. 91 will be 91. So now we're going to continue the series of 80. We did 1 to 10. So from 80 to 90, 90 makes it 90. 91, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. And no, it's not 80. No, here the word for 100 is 100. Okay, the word for 100 is 100. Now some things you have to be very careful. Let's take an example of 99. So you will have a hyphen between 4, 20 and these and 9. So you have to be very, very careful. That's the part of the spelling. So when you're learning, make sure you're learning it well with the hyphen. Alright, now in this video, we've completed doing numbers from 60 to 100. In my next video, I'm going to make a small video where we're going to revise all the round numbers like 10s, 20, 30, 40 and so on. I hope you've learned the numbers today. It was not so complicated. It's very simple. Practice well. Until I see you in the next video. Au revoir.